Hello everyone. Today in this video session I am going to teach you trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. This is the gist of your complementary angles. That is sin 90 minus a is equals to cos a, cos 90 minus a is equal to sin a. Similarly for the other ratios, tan 90 minus a is cot a and cot 90 minus a is tan a. Sec 90 minus a is cosec a and cosec 90 minus a is equal to sec a. Now how we got this all ratio? Let's study in detail. That is, now already we know that the ratios are applicable in a right angle triangle. This is ABC is a right angle triangle at B. And if we know that if B is 90 degrees, then the sum of these two angles will be what? Angle A plus C, it will be 90 degrees. That is known as complementary angles. What are complementary angles? That is sum of two angles is equals to 90 degree. Then it is known as what? Complementary angle. So this is 90. This is a angle A. So what will be this angle C? 90 minus A. Based on this, we can find complementary angles of all the ratios. That is 6 ratios. Let's see what are the ratios. As we know that triangle ABC is a right angle, we can see two complementary angles and which form a pair. Now sin A. What is sin A? As we know what is sin A, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So what it will be? BC by AC. BC by AC. And similarly cos A, we know it is what? Base by hypotenuse. So it will be AB by AC. And then the third one is cos, sine, cos and tan. Tan is what? That is perpendicular BC by base AB. So first we will write all these three ratios and similarly for other three ratios, that is the reciprocal of these three. This will be your equation 1. This already we have discussed. Now the next is what? Now we will find complementary angles. Now in the figure you can see that angle C is what? 90 minus A. So we will write now, since 90 minus A, this is 90 minus A. So what will be a sign? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So for this angle C, what will be the perpendicular? AB by AC. So that we have to write. So here in all the ratios 90 minus A, you have to take angle C, which is AB by AC. Similarly cos A you can write tan A, cosec A and sec A, cot A. Now when you will compare these two equation number 1 and equation number 2, you can see that here sin 90 minus A is equals to what? AB by AC. So you go to equation number 1. Similarly, you can get the same ratio where you are getting BC by AC sin A. So we can say that BC by AC. And for your cos, what we are getting? AB by AC. So this value on comparing equation 1 and 2, you can here write it. Sin 90 minus A will be what? AB by AC. Same ratio in the equation 1, we have got cos A, AB by AC. So this implies that sin 90 minus A is equals to cos A, because you can compare from equation 1 and 2 and you can find that both are equal. Similarly for other ratio also, like cos 90 minus A is equals to BC by AC, which is equals to sin A. Similarly for all the ratios you can find for tan, cot and sec and cosec. So easily you can see that these complementary angles are what it is, like sin 90 minus A will be cos A, and it can easily be proved with this diagram. Only 6 ratios you have to take it. 6 ratios you have to take it and we will compare it and we can get easily. So this hope you have understood, and only you have to remember the 6 ratio sin 90 minus A is equals to cos A and all that. Hope you have understood. Thank you.